Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. First cyclone of 2021 Taukate is forming over Arabian Sea and is likely to intensify around May 16th. Cyclone Taukate, if reaches the Indian coast, will be India's first cyclonic storm of this year 2021. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that the first cyclonic storm of the year named Taukate could be taking shape as a low pressure area is very likely to form over the southeast Arabian Sea around May 14th morning. Agencies said that it is then likely to intensify gradually into a cyclonic storm over the east central Arabian Sea around May 16th and continue to move north-northwestwards. The low pressure area is very likely to move north-northwestwards across the southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining the Lakshadweep area and intensify gradually. It is expected to continue to move north-northwestwards for some more time with further intensification. Reports suggest there is also a possibility of the storm changing its course towards Kutch and South Pakistan. If it does, then coastal Gujarat will be hit by the cyclone on May 17th or 18th. As per the forecast of the Indian Meteorological Department, areas like Lakshadweep, the coast of Kerala, Karnataka, Goa and Maharashtra are likely to be impacted. It has issued a warning of moderate to heavy rainfall over Lakshadweep, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat starting from Thursday and lasting till May 16th. Cyclone Taukate may bring rain to Mumbai on Sunday. In fact, the low-lying areas of the Lakshadweep could be swamped by May 15th or 16th. Over Kerala and Karnataka coast, the cyclone might cause squally winds with speed reaching 40 to 50 kilometers per hour and gusting to 60 kilometers per hour. The Indian Meteorological Department too has advised fishermen out in the deep sea to coastal areas of the country to return to the coast and also advised them not to venture into the sea. Officials have predicted that the possible cyclonic activity would bring thunderstorms in the coastal region of the state, including Saurashtra and South Gujarat region too. Usually, the Arabian Sea is comparatively less prone to cyclonic storms than the Bay of Bengal. This cold sea surface temperature is not favorable for the development of cyclonic storms. In the usual course, there was an occurrence of one extremely severe cyclone in every 4 to 5 years in Arabian Sea. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.